T2209 Equation Leopard 5 Arc Side Window Extension Kit Installation Guide. First, attach the cushion pads to the connecting brackets. Note the corresponding cushion pads for each bracket. Apply them as shown in the illustration. Install the connecting bracket onto the driver's side longitudinal rail. Adjust the spacing between positions as needed. Align the bracket with the mounting holes during installation. Secure with screws. Confirm the position and tighten. Next, install the side window main body onto the vehicle. Adjust the suction cups to maintain proper clearance from the body. After confirming all positions are correct, install the main body. Align with the holes and install the top trim piece. Tighten the screws. Repeat the same process for the other side. Below demonstrates fuel tank accessory installation. Remove all hand-tightened screws. Remove the extended outer trim panel. Install the fuel tank bracket. Center the position. Tighten screws and install the fuel tank. Reinstall hand-tightened screws. This concludes the installation guide. Thank you for choosing T2209.